Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss questions on environmental pollutions. You can download the short notes from the Hindu from the given below links. Next we go further. You can join the WhatsApp group. You can follow me on my Facebook page and you can subscribe for the blogs for getting interesting articles in your inbox, and you can simultaneously join for our Telegram channel to get various kinds of PDFs. Right, so we move further. Today this is a part 5. Today this is a part 5 of Shankar IAS, that is from the chapter number 5 of the environmental pollutions, noise pollution. Next we move further for the first question. Noise pollution comes from the source such as road traffic, jet planes, garbage trucks, construction equipments, manufacturing processes, leaf blowers and boom boxes. Option number 2 says a person's hearing can be damaged if exposed to noise levels over 75 dB over a prolonged period of time. The WHO recommends that sound levels indoors should be less than 30 dB. Choose the correct code from the below options. Option number 1 only A, option number 2 only B, and option number C both A and B, and option number D is neither A nor B. So choose the correct answer. Please pause the video, try to attempt this, then you can resume the video for explanation, right? So now let me give the answer. That is option number C will be the right answer. That is both A and B are the right options. That is WHO recommended the sound levels should be in the interior of the house, that is 30 dB, right friends? And it should not be the more than that, because it will hamper your ears and the rest of the psychological effects. We move further for the second question. That is silence zone is an area comprising not less than 100 meters around the hospitals, educational institutions, courts, religious places, or any other places declared such by a competent authority. Option number 2 says silence zone is an area comprising not less than 200 meters around the hospitals, educational institutions, courts, religious places, or any other area declared as such by the competent authority. Friends, here they gave two statements, and which of the statements is correct? You have to choose the correct one from the given below options. That is only one, only two, both A and B, and neither one nor two. So here our option will be only A will be the right answer, because these two statements are most probably similar, except this 100 dB and here the 200 dB. Meters, not dB. Here it is 100 meters, here it is 200 meters. So out of these two, one option will goes wrong, isn't it? So further we can say here the first of all option number C will be not the right answer, because if one will go away then one will rest, right friends? So either in D case, either it should be not the right case, it should be not the right case, because these two are also the wrong, it might be sometimes. So if they gave the 50 meters, then these both statements would be wrong, right? So but here the both statements are giving correct, so it is not correct answer. So here in this way you have to eliminate the first. C is a wrong answer. Next we move further. If you have read the chapter, so then you can easily mark that is answer number A will be the right answer. Next we move further the third question. That is, which of the following are impacts of the noise? First one is annoyance, second one is psychological effects, third one is loss of hearing, fourth one is human performance. Choose the correct code from the given options. Option number A only A and B, option number B only B and C, option number C A, B, C and D, and option number D neither A nor B nor C. That means only D will be the answer here. So choose the correct answer. So our answer will be C will be the right answer here, because obviously if you hear unwanted noise you will get little bit annoyance. If you listen such kind of noise for longer duration, you will get such some sort of psychological effects. You will get irritation, some other things. Next, loss of hearing. Continuous hearing of greater than 65 dB decibels it will create a loss of hearing for humans. Next, human performance will drastically reduce here. Okay friends, next we move further. There is fourth question. Let me tell you here. Yes, we have done. Next we move further. The fourth question, that is measure to control the noise pollution. What are the measures we have to take to control the noise pollution? In this question it is asking. So option number statement number 1, they says reducing the noise level from domestic sectors. Yes, it is correct, because if we reduce the booms, okay. Second one is TV noise, mobile phone noise, etc. If we reduce these things, or industrial noise, we should use silencers. Okay, so in these forms it is correct answer. The statement 1 will be the correct. Second one is green belt development, that is planting of trees. Yes, it is obviously correct, because when we plant around the roads, surrounding the roads, then the noise pollution will get reduced. Okay friends, so for this reason even the second statement will goes correct. So here our answer will be the C will be the right answer, that is both A and B. Next we see further the fifth question, that is daytime industrial noise level should be 75 dB. Daytime commercial, here you have to see very much carefully, right friends? Sorry, daytime industrial noise level should be 75 dB, and daytime commercial areas should be 65 dB noise level, and daytime residential area, the noise level should be 55 dB, and the noise level should be in the silence zone in the daytime, it should be 50 dB. So which of the following is the correct answer? That is only A and B, only A and D, none of the above, all of the above. So please choose the right answer. This is most important question. It may be directly asked in your prelims. Okay friends, so let us see what is the right answer for this. That is option number D will be the right answer here. That is all the statements given are correct, nothing is wrong in this. So first of all, let me tell you one thing here, that what is the meaning of silence zone noise? Silence zone we have discussed earlier, that is surrounding areas, that is surrounding around the hospitals, school zones. Okay, that should be less than 100 meters. Okay, if it is less than 100 meters, for example, suppose here it is your school, you have built a school, then from here it should be, this is the 100 meter, this is the 100 meter, and in this duration, in this place, you have to not keep any kind of DJ or any noise pollutions, right friends? I hope you understood the silence zone. So for this, the D option will be right answer, and we will end this lecture here itself. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe for Acquire IAS. Please do share with your friends and relatives, and do comment what kind of reforms you need in these videos. Okay friends, so thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you very much.